Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to actually manage the Google account, so how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and right here let's scroll down to find the accounts. Of course, as you can see at the very bottom of this list, you've got the Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts, so let me tap on it. As you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account, so let's begin with removing it. Of course, if you want to add an additional account, you do not have to remove the previous one. You can have like 2, 3 or even 4 different accounts, but let me show you how to do it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. Of course, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now let's tap on add account. Let's pick Google, of course. And make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation, so you can use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not, as you can see, I've got it saved, but a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address just like I did, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. Of course, it will now work if you're entering the phone number. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so after entering it, just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want, you can tap on it and read all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our account immediately appeared on this list, which means that we just successfully added it. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.